And we're back with another SketchUp tip. This is Michael Bourne with SketchUpNinja.com. We're going to talk about building walls using the rectangle and the offset and push-pull tools. Let's take a look. On the left side here, I've got some walls with dimensions that I'd like to draw in SketchUp. And I'm going to start right away with my rectangle tool. Now what I like to do is simplify this so that really what I'm looking at is a large rectangle and then taking away two smaller rectangles. So let's take a look at the rectangle tool. We're just going to draw, clicking and then moving my mouse away and inputting my dimensions, 38 feet by 34 feet. There's my rectangle to start with. And then now we subtract the two smaller rectangles. Here we've got 10 feet by 6 feet to start with. We'll start right in the corner here and move my mouse toward the center of that rectangle to 10 feet by 6 feet. And then we'll draw the other rectangle on the other side. Now we can use the eraser tool to easily clear out what we don't want. We just drag through. And now we have the shape of the walls. And we can use push-pull. First we want to use offset. Get that wall thickness. Go right to offset. Click on the face and then move your mouse toward the center. Type 8, enter. Then we'll use push-pull. And make sure that you're clicking on the skinny part. That's the walls. We want to grab those walls and pull that up 8 feet. Now, the advantage of using the rectangle tool as opposed to using the line tool is that you get a face right away. That's something you can work with in SketchUp. The object of the game for me is to get a face so I can use push-pull. So rather than using a line tool, which is a lot of people like to do, rather than using the line tool where you're clicking and clicking and clicking and lots of clicks but you still don't have a face, I'd like to use rectangle right away and get a face to work with. Now an alternative is to draw the whole volume and then work your way out. So let's take a look at that. We'll draw the entire volume using the same dimensions, but this time we'll use push-pull, pull it up first, and now we're drawing on the top our rectangles. And using push-pull to clear out those spaces. Back to push-pull. Now when I push this down, it'll go all the way down, can't go any further. When I click, there goes the bottom part. It clears out for me. And here I can go right to offset to get my wall thickness, and then use push-pull on the middle in this case to push away what I don't want. And I want to make sure that I come over here and I snap to that bottom edge, or the corner, even better. Snap to the corner and it clears out the middle part and I'm left with just walls. So here's how you can use rectangle and offset and push-pull to build walls with SketchUp. I'm Michael Bourne with SketchUp Ninja.